We're gonna be cleaning with me. My apartment is a mess. You know, just with the past 2 days, I haven't been able to clean it the way I would like to. And today I knew I had to clean up after I filmed the art tutorial. So I figured, why not film it? I love watching videos like this. So I decided to do one of my own. So as you can see, we're gonna start out in the kitchen. Just some pans and pots from this morning and last night, which normally I do the dishes before I go to bed, but last night I just was so tired and I had a really bad headache. If you follow me on Snapchat, then you will see I had a really bad headache the night before. So my apartment has valet trash. So I have to remove it from this trash can and put it in the other trash can, and then I'm going to take that trash can and sit it outside because trash pickup is tonight and I want to make sure my trash is out. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some stove cleaner on the stove to get all that grease up. Take the dishes out of the dishwasher from the night before and put the new dirty dishes in. So as I was saying, I love watching videos like this. I watch Faith Matini a lot, her clean with me videos, and that's what inspired this one. So make sure you guys go ahead and check her out. And I'm just gonna plug up my speaker because I need to clean with music. Like, I have to have music when I clean. So I'm just gonna scrub these dishes and then load them. Well, that one I clean, but load the dishes into the dishwasher once I give them a good scrub. And my camera kept cutting off on me, saying something was wrong with the memory card. So that's why throughout the video, you'll see me constantly looking at the camera just to make sure I was still recording, because I had to stop about 4 times before I got it to film all the way through. And I also only have 1 camera battery, so I had to keep stopping in between rooms. Let the battery charge for a little bit and then continue. So I also need to go buy me a backup battery because that was a headache. So yeah, today's Sunday and I'm just cleaning the apartment. And why was there a hot comb in my kitchen? I'm not entirely sure. This marble like countertop thing I got from Target and I absolutely love it. Babe uses a lot of toothpicks, so I keep those, and that's like a little thing I got from H&M. And I'm gonna go ahead and scrub the stove. I hate when my oven looks like greasy and stuff, so I do this quite. Then I'm just gonna gather up all the items that don't belong in the kitchen and take them down the hall because they don't belong up in here. So I'm gonna put them where they go, and I'm just gonna wipe down the fridge. That is not my speeding ticket. That is Babe's. Tisk, tisk, tisk. He got a ticket, so I'm gonna go ahead and move those where those belong, and then we're gonna move on to the microwave area. My apartment has very little storage. I have, as you can see, almost no counter space. So I bought this baker's rack and built it from Target. And this is where I keep the microwave and just any little household supplies. I've never put cookies in that cookie jar for as long as I've had it. It just looks cute. So now the kitchen is all clean and tidy. And this type of view just makes me so happy, you guys. Just so happy. In the living room, so I'm just picking up, as you can see, some dirty socks, but also picking up the items that just didn't belong in there. I'm gonna strip. My couch is huge, so that's why I have so many pillows. I'm just gonna strip the pillow. That faux fur blanket came from Home Goods. I bought it when I first moved to Georgia, so back in 2018. I'm gonna spray some Febreze just to keep it, you know, nice and fresh. Then I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down my coffee table. This coffee table I got from Amazon. A lot of people ask me about it every time I post it on social media, but I got it from Amazon. And then that round like tray I got from Target. The fake plants are from Home Goods. The coasters are from Amazon. The candle holder and candles from Bath and Body Works. And I have just pictures of my family. I love lighting candles in my apartment. The one in my living room is always black cherry merlot. I love this sign. It says "Bless This Mess." I got it from Target. I love it so much. And now the living room is all nice and tidy. Off camera, each room I sweep and I vacuum this carpet all off camera because, like I said, my battery kept dying. So all the sweeping was done off camera. My apartment doesn't have a dining room area, so I had to kind of make one. So that's why my dining room table is off in this corner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down my dining room table. Those fake plants are from Hobby Lobby. The vase was a housewarming gift from my sister, and the placemats are from Target. Now we're in the beauty room. I already did a tour of this room for you guys in case you want to see it more in depth. I'm just like wiping it down because, you know, and this room barely ever gets messy, only when I'm filming. So that's why you see me right now just putting all those items away. This room almost never gets messy. I keep it really tidy in here, but I like to disinfect in here a lot because, you know, when I'm touching things, I'm touching my face and things like that. So this room is always super quick to clean. It may need a quick sweep, a quick mop, a quick wipe down, but other than that, this room is almost never messy. And now the beauty room is all beautified. Now we're in the main the full bathroom of the apartment. So I'm gonna go ahead really quickly and squeeze and clean the tub in the shower. I just hated the way I look from behind. My butt was all in your face, so I just like super sped up this part. But I take my time when cleaning the whole apartment, but really when cleaning the bathroom because, you know, I use it, babe use it, so I just make sure that it's clean. Adding some fresh towels to the bathroom, just putting everything away. Underneath my sink is kind of messy, so we're not gonna show that. I mean, it's kind of organized, but kind of not. But yeah, so all these accessories you see on my sink are from Home Goods. I recently redid the bathroom. The shower curtain is from Target. The rug that goes in here is in the other room waiting to be washed. That's what's not in the video, but I just go ahead and give it a nice wipe down. And I love using this bleach spray because that way I know, you know, everything is getting disinfected. With everything going on with the virus and everything, I've just been taking extra precautions to make sure I'm disinfecting my home. And I use a Lysol wipe to wipe down the toilet seat and like the rim of the bowl and things like that. But then I go in with my Clorox toilet wand to actually clean the actual bowl. I clean this bowl and then I go ahead and clean the other bowl in the other bathroom, which you won't see on camera. And now the bathroom is all tidy. I love that shower curtain. It's like, oh, I love it. And now we have to tackle the back half of the apartment, which is the bedroom, guest bathroom. So let's go. Those clothes look like they're on the floor, but they're in a basket. So I'm just gonna dump, I'm just gonna dump that on the bed. We'll fold those in a minute, and then I'm just gonna get those dirty dishes out of here, wipe down the TV stand. That fake plant is from Target. It was a bit expensive. That was $30. I feel like that was a bit much, but I love it. Because I love cherry blossoms. I love the way they look. I really want to get cherry blossoms tattooed on my leg. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and dust that. And then I'm just gonna fold these t-shirts away because they should not have been out. And I love that hourglass. I got it from Home Goods. I wonder how much time is in there. But anyway, I like to make sure that it's like pouring. And from this clip on, you guys are gonna see a little bit of my underwear. I did not realize that these sweatpants used to be really tight on me, but still a little bit of weight. They're actually a little big on me. And I'm sorry, I know it's rude, but I didn't realize my pants were falling. So I'm gonna go, this is like the guest laundry area, like guest bathroom area. My apartment is kind of shaped a little weird. So I'm gonna go ahead and unload and load the dryer and the washer. And get all that stuff done. And clean up all the stuff from like fixing my hair earlier. In the washer, I'm just putting all the rugs, like the rugs from the kitchen and both bathrooms. Make sure those get all cleaned up because they were a little dirty. I'm gonna get those doors out the way. And then now I'm just cleaning the guest bathroom. Again, this is the area that doesn't get too dirty because I don't really have guests come over often, but I still like to make sure I disinfect it and keep it clean in case somebody does come over. And you know, I don't want them to think the bathroom is dirty. So make sure this gets cleaned. And that's that. And then I'm just gonna clean this guest bathroom vanity area. My boyfriend mostly uses this area, so he expects me to clean it, so he doesn't really clean it too much. So I just make sure I wipe it down when he's here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a quick wipe down. Like I said, it doesn't get dirty too much, but he still uses this area out of, I may do my hair over here, but other than that, not really. So it only really gets like a quick wipe down and a quick disinfect. And then just make sure the mirror gets all wiped down. And then this area is pretty much done. So let's get these quickly folded. And then that's pretty much it. That tray is where Babe normally keeps his colognes, but he's out of town when I filmed this, so a lot of his colognes weren't there, so I made it really easy to clean because he kind of took over that nightstand on that side of the bed. I love that ottoman. I got it from Target. As you guys saw when we walked in this room, the bed was already made, which is how it is every day. So thank you guys for cleaning with me. Yeah, it's not focusing. But I want to thank you guys for cleaning up with me. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know if you guys like videos like this. The angles were not easy for me to do, but we cleaned the entire apartment, which is what I would normally do. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, apartment tour will be coming soon. I just don't know when. I want to get a few more decorative pieces for the apartment, and then I'll give you guys an apartment tour. I look a mess. I'm gonna go edit this video so I can have it up for you guys in a few days, and I will see you. This camera. I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah.